Texas ranks second in the country for enrollment in health insurance marketplace plans, with only Florida having higher enrollment rates. Choosing to forego health insurance in Texas can be catastrophic in a medical emergency. However, affordable plans are available from trustworthy providers through the marketplace, and you may qualify for financial aid. Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss the best health insurance policies in Texas. So let's start with comparing the best health insurance companies in 2023. The best overall rankings of insurance companies are as follows. The best overall one is Blue Cross Blue Shield. The best value for bronze plans is Aetna. The best for dental and vision is Ambetter. And the best for $0 deductible is United Healthcare. So let's begin with Blue Cross Shield. Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas is the largest health insurance provider in the state, with the highest market share. It was rated as the best health insurance company, offering a 3-star healthcare.gov rating, the highest rating among all the insurance providers in Texas. The gold plans provided by the insurer have low deductibles, and there are excellent value plans with the lowest estimated annual cost compared to other available programs. Additionally, the insurance provider offers a 24/7 nurse line, and you can get virtual care from a doctor for more than 80 health conditions, all from your phone. Blue 365 offers a comprehensive discount program for wellness-related products and services. You can save on gym memberships, weight loss programs, and other services. The next is Aetna. Aetna is an excellent option for individuals who don't require extensive healthcare coverage. Their bronze plans offer the most affordable premiums compared to the plans with a similar deductible. Aetna also provides the lowest estimated annual cost plans for those with standard healthcare needs. Additionally, members can access free virtual care around the clock and free or low-cost walk-in visits at over 1,100 Minute Clinic locations for health screenings and minor injuries. However, it's essential to note that Aetna's gold plans may not provide the best value for those who expect frequent hospital or doctor visits. In situations like these, choosing Blue Cross Blue Shield might be a more economical option. Moving further on to Ambetter. Ambetter offers plans with adult dental and vision coverage, which is a rarity among marketplace providers. These plans may include an annual children's eye exam and glasses as well, but not child dental. Ambetter's health insurance plans with dental and vision benefits are EPOs, which means you don't need a primary care doctor's referral to see a specialist. You'll still be limited to in-network doctors, however. Ambetter also offers 24/7 virtual care, along with $0 urgent care, which can save you a lot of cash. Ambetter plans have just a 2-star rating on healthcare.gov, which means you may get better quality with a plan from Blue Cross Blue Shield. Next is United Health Insurance. United Healthcare offers a health insurance plan with a $0 deductible, which means you can start receiving coverage without paying the total cost of certain services before meeting the deductible. In Texas, United Healthcare provides one of the most affordable $0 deductible plans with a gold level coverage that includes $3 generic drugs, primary care visits, and child dental coverage. While United Healthcare offers adult dental and vision coverage, Ambetter's plans are usually less expensive. However, United Healthcare has a superior financial strength grade of A+, superior from AM Best, indicating their ability to pay claims. Furthermore is Cigna Healthcare. Cigna Healthcare is a primary health insurance provider in the state. They offer HMO and PPO plan options, allowing customers to choose the best plans for their needs. Cigna provides access to many doctors and hospitals, ensuring quality care regardless of where you live. Cigna is an excellent choice for those seeking comprehensive and reliable health insurance. At the end, my final verdict is our top pick for health insurance is Blue Cross Blue Shield, which has the highest ratings and offers the best value gold plan. However, Aetna may also be better if you seek an affordable plan with low health needs. The company also has excellent customer satisfaction ratings and offers $0 walk-in and virtual care visits. If you want dental and vision coverage along with your health insurance, Ambetter is a solid choice. However, comparing dental and vision plans is crucial to ensure you get the best deal. Finally, United Healthcare is worth considering if you prefer a relatively affordable, $0 deductible plan. If you learned something and want to learn more and keep yourself updated, then follow our channel and hit the subscribe button. Bye bye and see you in the next one.